First method is to check the program files folder. One way to check for the JDK is to look for it in the program files folder on your system. Okay, now let me go to the program files folder. To get there, you click on C drive, double click, and then here you are presented with two program files folders. The second one, which I'm highlighting now, is for the Windows 32-bit system. And the first one, which I'm highlighting now, is for the Windows 64-bit system. Now, since this tutorial is only for Windows 64-bit PCs, therefore, I'll be clicking on the first one. I'll be double-clicking. Double-click. Now, for the default installation, the JDK is usually located in the program files/Java folder, which would be this folder. This is the Java folder, which is under the program files folder. Then I'm going to double click on it. Now in the Java folder, if you see a folder with a name like JDK 1.8.0 underscore and then some numbers, then the JDK is installed on your system. As you can see here, I've highlighted the JDK folder, which shows that Java is installed on the system.